are very narrow here. Like sidewalks, very narrow. I have to walk in the street. All right, guys, we are in Guatemala. This is day 1 of being here. And wow, is it beautiful. And also, check out this. It is just crazy here. The clouds roll in. I mean, it's just beautiful. Like, we're watching the sunset. We have a balcony view. I mean, this is just, this is literally insane. I can't believe this is real life right now. Oh, yeah. Good morning, Antigua, Guatemala. Check out the view. Okay. This is truly incredible. Wow. I can't believe this is real life. Walk in to go get some coffee, some breakfast. The bed and breakfast is like, don't know what time breakfast starts. So we're just gonna go to Antigua in the middle of it and grab something to eat. Hungry though. We are in downtown Antigua now. Okay, so one thing that I was just really not expecting was all of the dust and the like air pollution here. Like when I come from the like hotel, there's so much like air pollution and exhaust that I'm just breathing in, as well as the dust. Like it kicks up all the dust. Like you can even see it within the cracks of the street. By the way, this is what all of the streets look like, just cobblestone. I mean, there's some broken sidewalk here, but so if you're gonna travel here, bring some hiking boots, because girly pop, your ankles are gonna be twisted. Anyways, still in search of this coffee place. I got their avocado toast, and also the chef came out and said, like, he made our breakfast and everything was crazy. It was like so sweet, polite. Everything takes a lot longer here. It's like not rushed. It's very nice, subtle. But this looks so good. Like the art in this food is just crazy. This is the famous arch in Antigua. It's so cool.
In here, that's a shark. This one is a fish. This one is a coyote. This one is an eagle.
And they're based on month, right?
They're based on year, month,
oh,
and
year?
day.
Okay.
Can I know?
August 30th.
You are a shark. Yes.
That's so cool.
Do you want to read about you? Here we are. You are.
While exploring the town of Antigua, came across these ladies doing their laundry in the town center, where there's a place where you can go and wash your clothes, and I thought that was very interesting, so I had to take a video and photo of it. I'm guessing this is a part of their Holy Week. I'm very, very happy that we came on this week. This is Easter weekend in like the US, so this is their Holy Week. This week, so I think it's really cool to be a part of something like this. Like, this is so cool. And it was around this time where we discovered that we were right in the middle of Semana Santa, where the churches switch out and take turns carrying these big centerpieces, and it is an honor to do so. And they walk around entire Antigua, and it takes like a few days or a week to do that completely. And they go around every corner, every street, and it's just really incredible and amazing. And this was the first sighting of it.
Yeah, see, now we're going to switch. Yeah, 80 of them. 80. In every corner, 80 of them switch. There's some of them that actually takes 120 in every corner. Wow. Like right here, they basically...
On top of a truck right now.
That way.
Is it like a... Oh yeah.
So they want to check your family history and all that.
So incredible. Wow. So we are at the Santa Clara ruins. This architecture is crazy. This must be like under the church or something. This is under the choir room. It's so cool. It's very humidity and like dense. But it's all for this. Crazy. How small these door frames are. Oh wow. This is literally insane. So this place was an all vegan place and it was so good. Like the food here has been like phenomenal, honestly. They're gonna walk on the stuff. Antigua was honestly amazing. We made it up to this hill where you could look out over all of Antigua. Seeing people make the carpets for Semana Santa was also very cool and really special thing to see. So beautiful up here. Crazy. Going to the restaurants, had a great time. There was some vegan food that was an option. We had an amazing server.
¿En Spanish?
Yeah, en español.
Ah, ok. Hola a todos el canal de Lauren y Lexi. Mucho gusto de conocerte, Lauren y Lexi. Gracias por venir a Las Tres Amigas y elegir Antigua. Disfruta mucho de Guatemala y pasará muy bien. Bienvenidos.
That is fuego right there. That's crazy. And it's exploding. After we had a 40-minute walk to our hostel, which was way out of Antigua, and on the way just took some back roads and kind of really absorbed how the locals actually live outside of the touristy place, which was honestly, I think, a highlight because I really like to see what life is like not in the touristy sections. Every single night, this is what I get from the little gas station kind of pop-up shop by the hostel. Super good. Trust me, 10 out of 10. Recommend.